Do you ever feel like you're constantly scrambling to create content? Or worse, missing out on prime posting time? Imagine if you could plan your entire month of content in just one afternoon. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how exactly to do that with a content calendar. Hey everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Social Pilot. My name is Diksha, and if you are new here, we help you streamline your social media activities with our advanced features of publishing, engagement, analytics, and collaboration. If that sounds like something you need, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. I live and die by my content calendar, so I'm going to show you how to set it up. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the steps to create a content calendar that helps you to increase your social media presence, make it strong and consistent. And yes, I'm also going to give you an exclusive look at how I use Social Pilot just to do that. So let's get started. Before we first start in the process of making a content calendar, let's first define it. In simple words, it's a written schedule of when and where to publish your content. The first step in creating a content calendar is deciding your content hub. This is the main piece of content everything else revolves around. It could be a blog, a podcast, any long form or short form evergreen content. You need to outline your content pillars or buckets, overarching the themes of your content and the topics you want to cover under each of them. My go-to content pillars are education, information, promotion, inspiration, entertainment, and my favorite, relatable content that my audience can resonate with. Under each of these pillars, you can put main piece of content. For example, a webinar series could be a part of informational content, whereas a product campaign falls into promotion. Once you've got your hub, you can now repurpose that content across other platforms. This not only saves your time, but also ensures that you are consistent everywhere. So let's dive into how I do this by using Social Pilot. First, sign up or log in into your Social Pilot account and navigate to the calendar view. This is where all the magic happens. You can create, schedule, and manage your social media posts from one place. Let's add our first piece of content. Click on the date you want to schedule your content for. For example, let's say I'm posting a new Instagram reel on Monday. I'll have the Create Post dashboard. Switch to Instagram, add the video, and write a catchy caption. I can even use AI for this by selecting the AI option on the top. Selecting the preset Instagram template, writing my topic, and selecting a tone that expresses my emotions. Did you see how quickly I got a perfect caption for my post with relevant emojis and hashtags? And I'll add this to my post and set a time I want it to get published. Now boom, that's scheduled. Now that our main content is scheduled, let's talk about repurposing it for other platforms. For example, I can take a snippet from my YouTube video and create a teaser for Instagram or a quote graphic for Twitter. Social Pilot makes it super easy to duplicate posts and adjust them for different platforms. Select the post you want to repurpose from the queued section in the list. You will find a duplicate post icon alongside each post. Simply click on the icon and then edit the content to fit the platform. For example, I'll add relevant hashtags and a compelling call to action. For Twitter, I'll shorten the text and include a direct link to the full video. Finally, click on the Add to Queue button to send it for publishing. To make it even easier, you also get the option to edit your duplicate post before scheduling. This makes it easier to create a series of repeating posts without having to upload the same graphics or add some text again and again. To duplicate post from your social calendar, just go to the calendar and find the post you want to duplicate. As you click on the post, you'll notify the duplicate icon. Simply click on the icon and you have a perfect copy. But what if I'm running a campaign or an offer and want to repeat my post within a particular period? I can simply select the repeat post option while scheduling my post, and this can be easily done for any post format from stories to videos. As a part of content calendar, I would also like to save my best performing post to my calendar so I can easily see that which type of content is working for me and which is not. So, I have saved the highest performing post of mine to the Social Pilot content library with specific tags and names for better filtration, so I can easily get inspiration or reschedule on the go. Let me show you how to do this quickly. For example, I posted this Instagram reel on 10 hooks you can try, which performed really well on all social media platforms. And I want to repeat it in some time or save it to get inspiration if I have a creative rut someday. I need to just click on the library icon and add a name and tag to it. This helps me stay organized and ensures I'm posting the best content for higher engagement and interaction with my followers. In Social Pilot, I also don't have to worry about remembering all the special events or holidays I should be talking about on my social media. It highlights me all the important holidays in the calendar view, color coded as green. With just a click, I have a post ready to go. I can customize it if I want, add media and add hashtags, or even schedule a first comment to start conversations or give a CTA for this post. Once I'm done creating my content calendar, Social Pilot's calendar view gives me a bird's eye view, helping me to identify gaps in my calendar on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. I can make last minute changes just by swapping the post and rescheduling them from any date to time from just a simple drag and drop. The advanced filters help me to check on posts I have on my calendar with specific platforms, teams, clients, or even accounts. There are also small icons on the scheduled content pieces that help me to know more about them and preview them. For example, for this post, I can see an image icon, or for the other one, I see a reel icon showing the source of scheduling as web. And there you have it, a complete content calendar that's easy to manage and keep your social media consistent. Remember, the key to success is planning ahead and staying organized. With Social Pilot, you have all the tools, functionalities, and features that you need to streamline your social media strategy. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any further questions or want to see more content like this, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.